Okay, so linear equations, we're going to do a couple of examples here. So again, once you have this absolute value, now it doesn't actually matter when you do this, you can do it at any point in time. But most people think that it's actually easier if you solve for the absolute value first. So what you need to do is replace the absolute values with parentheses and split it into two, one with a minus in the front, one with a positive in the front. So sorry, 4 plus x. And then with a minus sign in the front. Now remember, this is the definition, right? It's either the thing on the inside of the absolute value or negative the thing on the inside of the absolute value. And then solve them separately like you did in chapter 2 and 3. So this is add 4 to both sides. So 5x is equal to 20. And then divide both sides by 5. So x is equal to 4. Similarly here, you can either distribute the negative sign or you can divide both sides by a minus 1. That is the one that I prefer to do. And then add 4 to both sides again. So 5x is equal to negative 12. And then divide both sides by 5. So x here is negative 12 over 5. Okay. So those two are going to be our solutions. Another example, which is going to be two minus 5 times the absolute value of 5m minus 5 is equal to negative 73. So what I want to do in this example is I'm going to show you that you actually don't need to solve for the absolute value first. If you want to, you can. But remember, replace it with parentheses. And since I'm running out of space, I'll write it over here. And then put a minus in the front. And in this case, we just put a minus 1 so that we can see it. So once we do this, solve it the same way we did. These two negatives cancel to give you a plus 5 times 5m minus 5 is equal to negative 73. Okay. Subtract 2 to both sides. So 5 times 5m minus 5 is equal to negative 75, and then divide by 5. Again, if you want, you can do the distribution. It's just the method that I prefer to do. So 5m minus 5 is equal to 13, negative 13. Oh, 15, negative 15. And then add 5 to both sides. So again, 5m is equal to 10, or m is equal to 2. And similarly for this one, subtract 2. So we get negative 5. 5m minus 5 is equal to negative 75. Notice now in this problem, what we're going to do is we're going to divide by the minus 5 instead of a positive 5 because it didn't cancel in this case. And we're left with 5m minus 5. In this case, it's going to be plus 15. And of course, you don't need the plus there. And then solve for m. So 5m is equal to 20. And dividing by 5 again, m is equal to 4.